Cheers guys, Nico here. Today a quick manual in how to download our latest trading bots from Profectus AI. You simply visit this website. The name is www.newcapitalfx.com/freebots, and here where I simply copy and pasted the web address, you simply copy paste your email address, you click on subscribe, and then you will get to this public Google Drive folder. Right now you see two trading bots we uploaded so far for you. Let's go to the Gold EA. You simply download it. It is a MQ5 file, so you get actually the source file, which is nice. You can also upload it then into FX Dreamer and play around with this file as well. So now let's say I just downloaded it on my local PC. And what I have to do then, what is the next step? I simply open my MT5, MetaTrader 5 platform. I go to the upper left corner, click on File, click on Open Data Folder. Then I have to click on MQL5. Stick with me, I know it's a bit unhandy, but this is currently the process. What you can then click next is Experts. After this, Advisors. And here, normally you would see a list of default trading bots, which are normally not working well. I simply added two folders, Other and Profectus. Then I click on Profectus, and then you simply copy paste the MQ5 file. So here you see the Gold Edge from the YouTube video, and here you see it is the MQL5 source file. So far so good. So we can actually minimize this window. What you have to do next, since it is a source file, you click on the IDE button here in the upper left corner. You again go on Experts, you click on Advisors, you click once again on Profectus, and then you simply double click here. Then this window opens up, and what you have to do then is to compile this file. Why do you have to do this? Well, MetaTrader 5 cannot work with a source file. You have to actually compile it and transfer it into a executable file. So this is what we did here. You see 0 errors, 0 warnings. So far so good. So we can close this file for good. Let's quickly go back to our other window we've just seen before, and now you see a new file is being created from the source file, and this green icon, you see this is now the execution file, and this is the file MetaTrader 5 can work with. So yeah, that's nice. We can close this window now as well for good. What we have to do now next is simply going on Profectus, and if it's not popping up, just to make sure that it is popping up, you maybe have to right click on the navigator on the Expert Advisor field and click on Refresh. And then there should be the latest, this Gold Edge Expert Advisor. It should pop up at this point of time. Then you simply go on your strategy tester. You see it here in the lower left corner. If this is not, if you don't see it just yet, you simply go on here on the upper left corner, you scroll down and you click on Strategy Tester. Then this window will pop up. And now let's quickly choose the just uploaded Gold Edge from the YouTube video, which I'll also link up here in the upper right corner. So now a quick explanation in actually, kick off your first backtest and creating your first backtest report. So now I have just shown you in how to select your just uploaded Expert Advisor in MetaTrader 5. Then the next step is simply choosing your symbol. Well, the next logical step, of course, since it's the Gold EA, you simply choose dollar US dollar, Gold US dollar, pardon. Very simple. You can also get it. It's also linked within this video from the Gold Edge video. Then the next one, you have to choose a data range from your chosen symbol. So we provide you with a data range from back to 2015. So how can you check this? If you simply click on entire history, and then you see this is the total available data range we give you at hand. So it's pretty nice, it's handy. The next one is a bit more complicated. It's not really interesting for you right from the start, but maybe nice to know for later on. You can also forward test. So that also plays already a little bit into the field of you don't want to curve fit, you don't want to make historical data perfectly fit to your backtesting, since it's very, very easy to create a beautiful backtest report. So what you can do then later on is simply taking a part of your historical price data, for example 2015 up to 2017, you optimize your data or your trading model on it, and then you actually expose your trading bot to new data. So everything after 2017 you see, is the trading bot still performing or not, simply making sure that you did not curve fit your trading bot, your trading model yet. Then the next point, delays. You can simply add a little bit of delay, since you never have a perfect execution. There's also always a little bit of delay, right, due to your Wi-Fi connection, due to your broker, etc. So that might make sense. Nevertheless, the delay should not really matter to you, since we are not high frequency trading. However, just to get a little bit more realistic backtest report, you can always add a little bit of delay and simply see, does it matter to your to the strategy or not. If it does, it might be actually a red flag, so keep this into consideration. For now, for just demonstration, I will keep it to 0 latency. Then the modeling, quite an interesting one as well. So we provide you with Stellar tick data. It is uncorrupted, so it's very reliable. Besides this, you can also use 1 minute open, high, low, close. So that's a little bit faster. That simply means you only take a look on 1 minute candles, and you only take a look on 4 timestamps of 1 minute candle. So again, the open, the high, the low, and the close. A little bit faster than this is even open prices only. So if you choose this and you have your time frame put on H1, so 1 hour time frame, you only check the latest 1 hour price step. So that's the fastest, but there is a trade-off in the accuracy always. So the highest accuracy is always on every tick. If you have Stellar backtesting, if you have Stellar tick data, the second best probably is when you have a reliable broker providing you with good tick data as well. You can use this data model as well, but you have to be a little bit careful. Normally you don't get reliable price data from your broker. And the very last one, math calculations, you can simply exclude it. It's not really important. Then the next step, actually also to the modeling, is profit in pips for faster calculations. So especially for the beginning, just simply checking out if your coding is correct. You can simply tick it, since your calculation, your backtest report will be created quicker if you tick this box. There will be no commissions calculated, which makes the whole calculation a little bit faster. So to make it a bit more realistic, you simply keep this box unticked. Here you can simply punch in the size of your trading account. Here it is by default 50k. You can also punch in 10k, for example, or 1,000 US dollar. You can also change the base currency, as you can see here, and also the leverage. And then we've already reached the very last point of the strategy tester, which is the optimization field. For now it is disabled, so we simply do one simple backtesting. You can also later on change it to slow complete algorithm. So it simply means you can then switch to inputs. And this EA is very simplistic, but you can make it more sophisticated, more complex later on, of course. But for this, we keep it as simple as possible. So for the optimization part, you can simply tick the variable you want to optimize. In that case, you can only optimize the stop loss. Here you can punch in, for example, where it should start. Here it should start at 1 in a stop of 0.2. Let's say that's quite random. And then you go up to 5, for example, and then you have 21 different kind of variations. And as soon as you click on start, MetaTrader 5 will do 21 calculations based on the stop loss variables. Now for the very last part of this video, I want to disable the optimization part, actually keep it fairly simple and show you the visual mode for the last step. So there you can actually see what your coding, what your model is doing on the chart, simply checking yourself. Is the trading bot doing what it is supposed to do? Is there any error? Is there anything that you have to do maybe better? And also simply getting a feeling if it is doing what you thought it is supposed to do. So you can simply see, actually there's an in-depth video about this trading bot, of course, so I won't go into depth about this bot, but you simply see the first trading positions already been taken, right? So you can actually do your own analysis where it has been triggered. You see the stop loss, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can switch the different kind of time frames as well to really go deep into every single trade and trading situations to really know what your trading system is doing. So that's pretty much in a nutshell how to upload your trading bot, how to upload the trading bots we provide you to our Profectus community, how to backtest it, and that's it. We are looking forward to your questions in the comment section, and I hope that will help you in your future trading. Have a good one. Cheers.
Hey, you! Yeah, you, exactly you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Every Sunday a new video from Profectus AI about algorithmic